Trying to serve papers, man.
Right. I had the roll bar on.
Just trying to serve papers.
And I didn't realize.
She done came back and closed the door. You done called security on me. The other dude out there on the phone.
I know.
Look at this. Look at this. Cause I served him church right there. See that other door? See, he's in front of one door. The other door over there, that's the door church went into when I served him. Well, tried to get him the papers. Yeah. No, she already done lied about her identity, so she's a public officer. You lied about your identity. She don't know that's an offense. You obstructing justice. You're a public officer. Disclose your identity. I asked you if you were Miss Shaffer. You said no. That's obstruction. You gotta worry about it. I see what happens when somebody do something like that. You don't get mad. What she don't understand is that she had nothing to do with it until she did that. Now she want to get involved. Now she's involved. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add her in there with the defendants now. See how that works? You wasn't a defendant before. Just that quick you are now. All you had to do was take the papers. They can close the top of the door on me. I can't. The top of the door was just open. I can't. She closed the top of the door. That top right there was just open. Now it's closed, the top. You know how you go to the door? Them old bar doors where the top half open. Yeah. You know, all these people scared now. Yeah, we already got a couple obstruction of justice. We got a couple obstructions, yup. We got a couple legal advices that was given. Yeah, real quick. You giving somebody a command under the color of law, you better make sure you ain't violate their rights. Especially when you tell somebody something's illegal. But that's for the judge to decide. That's not on me. Leave it all in the, like I said, leave it all in the court, leave it all in the courtroom. Dang, this man said he had to step outside 15 minutes ago to make a phone call. He said a couple of minutes. You did not say a half hour. Nah, don't nobody want to do nothing. Yeah, we got a couple strikes already. We just gonna file some more motions. We get back tonight. We don't feel comfortable the way they handling themselves out here. No, it's crazy how they say this and that, but I ain't no thug. I don't go around telling people what they can and can't do. I don't go around trying to intimidate nobody. You see why I stay in the house. Now, you had no problem sequestering all that evidence over here to the courthouse under that BS case you had. Now you don't want to talk to me? What's wrong? Catch this work. Oh, we about to file some more motions tonight, definitely. We about to file more. The money just went up. The money just went up. We ain't playing no games. Anybody talk to me and get in the way of me serving these papers just became a defendant on this case. I guarantee you that. Guarantee you that. Every single person.
What's the nature of this case?
It's a civil case.
Okay, thank you.
Miss Shaffer's back. Can you just knock on the door and handle the papers? You know what happens once I leave here aggravated? I'm gonna write a motion that all these people intentionally got in my way to obstruct justice. Now I can add them to the suit or I can sue them independently too. We can do both. Yeah, we can. Because they got in the way of this. Yup. I ain't playing no games. I ain't playing no games. The troopers already got theirs. The jail already got theirs. Miss Bauer, the clerk, county clerk, already got hers. Now Miss Shaffer and whoever else I talk to that's doing this It's funny, man. You just got yourself. Why would you put yourself involved in that? That don't even make sense. It had nothing to do with you. Now you want to get involved? You got to go home and tell your family what happened today. Well, I did too much today and got added to a suit. So, what'd you do? I mean, I said something got in his way. You just serving papers. You should have just left that man alone. Was that man breaking the law? No, he wasn't. You leave him alone. That's what happens when people get comfortable telling you what you can and can't do, and they don't know the law themselves. They just got everybody else to back them up and charge you with BS. Yeah, that's over with. Everybody about to have a good Mother's Day with this $400 million lawsuit. Enjoy it while you got it. Yeah, they already done obstructed justice. Man. It's already too late. Oh, we back. I'm back. The Wi-Fi slow. I don't know. I don't be trying to use no Wi-Fi. I be trying to use data. This is your boy. You know what I mean? Can't see myself on the camera though, but hope you can see me. You see me? All right, yeah. Nah, I'm about to add a sheriff server. And I'm gonna mess around and have everybody else serve. Watch, man. I don't know why people just leave me alone. I'm trying to keep to myself. Don't be bothering nobody.